Good evening viewers, this is InfoBurst and you are watching the video about Mars, the red planet. Mars, known as the red planet, has intrigued humans for centuries. It's a world of contrasts, once a potential oasis, now transformed into a barren desert. Scientists have discovered that Mars once had liquid water on its surface and might have supported life. The history of Mars is a story of dramatic changes, and understanding these changes helps us to explore the possibilities of past or even present life on this fascinating planet. Mars has a thin atmosphere composed of mostly of carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen, argon and other gases. The surface temperature varies drastically, ranging from a frigid -153 degrees centigrade to a relatively balmy 20 degrees centigrade. Despite its current harsh conditions, evidence suggests that billions of years ago, Mars was much more hospitable. Liquid water flowed on its surface, creating rivers, valleys, lake beds, and deltas. This suggests that Mars had a climate that could have supported life, at least for certain periods. Viewers, the transformation from a potentially life-supporting planet to the cold, dry desert we see today is a significant focus of Martian exploration. Scientists believe that Mars lost its global magnetic field early in its history, which left its atmosphere vulnerable to being stripped away by solar wind. Without a thick atmosphere to trap heat, Mars cooled and the liquid water on its surface evaporated or froze. Understanding these transformations provides insights into the planet's history and its potential for hosting life. Exploring Mars has been a priority for space agencies around the world. The United States and the Soviet Union started sending robotic probes to Mars in the 1960s. NASA's Mariner 4 was the first to successfully fly by Mars in 1965, revealing a barren landscape. Subsequent missions like Mariner 9 provided more detailed images uncovering features like the massive walls, Marianas Canyon and the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. NASA's Viking landers in the mid-1970s were the first spacecraft to land on Mars successfully. They conducted experiments to search for signs of life, but the results were inconclusive. Viewers, it is interesting the search for life on Mars took a new direction in the mid-1990s with NASA's Mars exploration program, which focused on following the water. Since liquid water is essential for life as we know it, missions like the Mars Orbiter and the European Space Agency's Mars Express have mapped the planet's surface and detected water ice beneath its polar caps. Rovers have played a crucial role in exploring Mars, beginning the Sojourner in 1997, followed by Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance. These mobile laboratories have traveled across the Martian surface, analyzing rocks and soil to uncover the planet's geological history. Perseverance, which landed in Jezero crater in 2021, is equipped with advanced instruments to search for signs of ancient life and collect samples for future return to Earth. Comparing Mars to Earth highlights both similarities and differences. Viewers, if we are considered Mars is smaller with a diameter of 6,780 kilometers, about 400 and 212 miles, about half the size of the Earth. Its gravity is only 38% that of the Earth, making it a challenging environment for human exploration. Despite these differences, Mars and Earth share some common features, like polar ice caps and seasonal changes. One of the most intriguing aspects of Mars is its potential to have supported life. Scientists believe that around 3 to 4 billion years ago, Mars had conditions that could have been suitable for life. However, it's still unclear whether these conditions lasted long enough for life to develop. The discovery of ancient river valleys and lake beds suggests that liquid water was present, but the planet's transition to its current state raises questions about its ability to sustain life. Viewers, the question of whether life exists or once existed on Mars remains one of the most compelling mysteries in planetary science. Early telescope observations in the 18th and 19th centuries led some scientists to speculate that Mars was inhabited by intelligent beings. These ideas were based on features like ice caps and seasonal changes, which seem to indicate a dynamic environment. Modern missions have shown that Mars is very different from Earth. Its thin atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide and lack of a global magnetic field, making it inhospitable to life as we know it. However, the presence of liquid water in the past and the possibility of surface water today keep the hope of finding life alive. Recent studies suggest that microbial life might have existed on Mars billions of years ago, living just below the surface. These microbes could have thrived in the presence of water, protected from the harsh surface conditions. However, as Mars cooled and lost its atmosphere, these potential habitats would have become more isolated, possibly driving any existent life forms deeper underground or to extinction. The quest to find life on Mars continues with upcoming missions and advancements in technology. The European Space Agency's Rosalind Franklin rover, set to launch in 2028, will drill deep into the Martian soil to search for signs of life. This mission aims to reach areas where past life might have been preserved, providing a better chance of detecting biosignatures. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey to Mars as we continue to explore the mysteries of the Red Planet. We gain invaluable insights into the potential for life beyond the Earth and the history of our solar system. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries and updates on space exploration. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel InfoBurst for more intriguing content on science, technology and the wonders of the universe.